Hello everyone, this is Mahinder and welcome to Message Store project. Thi- uh, this is entirely coded in C language. This is my approach. I'll take a 8 MB binary file and uh, first 4 KB is used to store the bit vector and next 2 KB like 4096264143 next 2 KB is used to store the user data where you can store up to 31 users. This project will support only 31 users, and next 2 KB is used to store the categories where I'll store around 120 categories, like 127 categories. So each user can have any number of categories, but when it comes to total it should be around 128 categories. Then the first 8 KB is fixed and the remaining memory is divided into 256 bytes uh, blocks. They are allocated using the bit vector, and they are deallocated using the bit vector. So this is how I will store the messages. Each category will point to its message table. So each message table can store up to 10 message offsets. Like these are the messages. This address will be stored in this message table. So each message table can store up to 10 messages, like 10 message offsets, and it will point to next message table and previous message table. For the first message table, previous message table address is 0. I mean it's null. Category will point to first message table, and this message table will point to next message table, and so on up to like null. This is how I'll store the messages, and each message can support up to 128 bytes. 128 uh, support up to 128 bytes. So this is how I will store the messages, and when I am deleting the messages, I will delete the message from this message table and shift all the messages from all message tables by 1. So this is how my algorithm works. I will see the execution. This is my server, this is my client. So welcome to my sister. This is my GUI, and let us create one new user. Like so, let us see what all categories we have. Like first option is to add categories, second option is to view all categories, third option is to view your categories. First of all, we'll add one new category named sports. So new category is added. We'll check whether it is there or not. So view all so these are already existing categories and new category is added. Now we will write a message to sports category, like welcome to the group. If you want, so here you can see the message welcome to the group from Sachin. Now if you click here, there are no previous message tables, it will show like that. Now we'll log in from another account, like now we'll keep another message in the sports category. Message is added successfully. View all categories, sports. So you can see next message. This is the message and this is the username who kept the message. This is how the messages works. Now if you view your categories, you can view only one category here that is created by Sachin. So now you can even reach these messages from your categories also. Now we'll delete one message like to viewer replies. So first of all we'll keep one reply. First of all we will delete the message to message deleted successfully, and we'll check whether the message is deleted or not. So here the second message is deleted, and we will see the replies part. There are no replies, we will add one reply. So this is the first message and we will view replies. Here is the reply. Hi Sachin, hello all. These are the replies we have given here. Now even this replies also works in the same manner as messages, like so even replies will this message will point to the first reply table, and those replies tables will point to next reply table and so on. This is how the replies works. So there are no previous message tables, etc. This is how my project works. Thank you for watching. Let us see the code. This is the Bitvector implementation. The above function, this function will give the free block. This function will delete the block. It will deallocate the memory in the bit vector. These are my inode structures: user, user data, categories, category collection, messages, message table, etc. things. These are all my functions. Now this is my server code, and this is my client code. This display server will function. This display server function will display all the messages, everything from the server, and I will use some mechanism to I used a mechanism to display this message select is like an encoding like handshaking process, while if this function needs some input, this will give the input. This will send the command with this message select word, so that this will call the appropriate function. Like if you see here, when we get the message select as the send command, we'll call appropriate function. Like return 9 means, like if k equal to 9, we'll call process message selection function. So this is how my code works. Thank you for watching the video.